Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to remove and replace the ear pads cushion on the Corsair HS55 and HS65 gaming headsets without breaking them. The process is very simple and doesn't require any tools, as long as you know the correct method. First, make sure the ear cups are facing toward you. This makes removal easier and helps prevent damage to the clips. Hold the ear cup firmly and grab the ear pad around the outer edge, where you can feel the plastic mounting frame inside the pad. Do not grab the soft cushion part itself. Then, rotate the ear pad towards the headband until you hear a small click. This click means the ear pad has been released from the ear cup. Once removed, you'll see that the ear cups are marked with L and R, so you know which ear pad goes on each side. The best part is that Corsair is one of the few companies that actually offers new replacement ear pads. Many other brands don't offer them at all, which forces you to buy new headphones. To install the replacement ear pads, align the ear pad with the marker on the ear cup, then rotate it away from the headband until it locks securely into place. And that's it! Your Corsair HS55 or HS65 headset is ready to use again with fresh ear pads. This also helps if you want to repair or simply clean your headphones. Good luck!